Here we have the Blizzard Brahma 88. This is the second year of a new construction for this ski. The Brahma has been a very popular ski for a long time. It has had some various construction tweaks over the years. As far as the 90-ish mil underfoot segment of skis goes, the Brahma is definitely at the stiffer and unforgiving end. However, the recent construction update has softened it just a tad, making it slightly more forgiving and accessible than it used to be. But if you're expecting a soft forgiving ski, this isn't going to be the one for you. It's 88 mil, so it's good on the firm mornings and afternoon slush that we get in Australia. It's a ski that's very heavily constructed, lots of metal inside. It has a high speed limit. You can really get the speed up on the firm groomers, but you're going to feel that stiffness in the bumps for sure. So it's a great ski for high-end skiers wanting lots of performance and are able to handle such a stiff ski.